Hi, everyone, and welcome to Module 4, which is data-driven decision making and empowering organizational success. Now, this module is where things start to feel more like real analytic work because we shift from collecting and managing data to actually using it to drive decisions through clearly, convincingly, and, of course, very important, ethically. Now, everything in Module 4 is always going to be due by your pacing schedule on Fridays at 5 p.m. No late work accepted, so make sure you plan ahead. What we'll be covering, this module focuses on Chapter 7 and 8 and is built around three big themes. First, BI, which is business intelligence. You'll learn how BI supports data-driven decision-making and why organizations invest in tools like that make reporting relatable, and reliable, and more importantly, repeatable. We'll also cover the purpose of data warehouses and data marts, basically how businesses organize data so you can be used at scale without turning into chaos. Second, we're going to be looking at data storytelling and visualization. That's where this Power BI is really starting to get into, the dashboarding and how you take your data to something the average person can use. This is where you'll learn to communicate insight. A dashboard isn't automatically useful just because it looks nice. You'll learn how to build a narrative with your data so someone can understand it quickly and make a decision. This is the difference between I made a chart and I influenced a decision. Third, we're going to be looking at blockchain basics. We'll introduce blockchain and why it can offer advantages over centralized databases, especially for secure, decentralized record keeping. The goal here isn't about becoming a crypto expert. It's to understand why certain data problems require architectures. Now, your assignments are the pre-quiz, the lecture and reading, the case study, ethical implications of predictive analytics in higher education. The Power BI project is using DAX and Power BI, and then, of course, your module exam. Now, the case study focus for this is on predictive analytics in higher ed and how it can improve outcomes, but can also create bias, privacy issues, and unfair labeling if it's handled poorly. I'm looking for a very clear, well-supported argument, what the ethical risks are, what responsible use looks like, and the safeguards that should exist. And just two quick reminders: accuracy and application drive your grade, effort alone won't carry it, and professionalism matters. Clarity, correct terminology, and clean writing. Check the module, follow the pacing schedule, and get after Module 4. Bye, guys.